I'm just heading to the garage, and I want to reflect on the first videos that are not out yet in the moment I'm making this video. The vlogging part is quite new thing for me, so it's scary, and to do it in English is way worse. So if the videos are somewhat clumsy or not flowing, then it's because of that. But anyway, it's day 3 for me. I want to take the interior apart today, so I assume that there will not be much talking today, but we'll see. One of the problems is that I'm not by myself in the garage. There's work going on at the same time, so it makes things a little bit complicated for me because of the noise and so on. So I hope not just the noise, the me speaking to the camera in front of everyone. For the first 2 days I tried to do this when everyone was away, but I'm not so lucky. Every day the other workers were just in the other part of the garage. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna take the interior apart, and I will talk when I need to. So I hope you enjoy today's video. Have a nice day. So that's it for today, and see you in the next video.